Let's go ahead and just take a quick moment of silence for the negative year to date on my Acorns account. Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to episode 201 here on season number 2, not 4. Today we are getting into silver stacking and stock market extravaganzas. I don't know why I got like really so excited. But anyways, what I want to do, like I got such good feedback on the last video that I posted on the season video, and so I wanted to kind of do something similar but not the same. So what I plan on doing with like the season videos is think that I've been getting enough comments consistently on my channel throughout the week that I'm going to take the most recent comment, if it's like related to investing just a little bit, or if I can even relate it to investing at all, then probably what I'll do is I'll take that comment and I'll make a video out of it, while also still doing like a recap video of each one of my accounts. So like this week will be an Acorns more recap, but we're gonna be talking a lot about silver stacking and stocks or something along those lines. Anyways, it'll make sense once you see the comment. This month on my Acorns account, it was all right. I mean, the account did drop negative year to date. If you guys wouldn't mind, let's go ahead and just take a quick moment of silence for the negative year to date on my Acorns account. All right, come on guys, I'm not that serious. Like, it did go negative. The year to date I think sits at, I don't know, let me go ahead and pull it up on the screen real quick. Negative 0.37% or $8 off of $2,800. So yeah, it was a little bit rough, but it wasn't all that big of a deal. Like, I'm sure that October, that was just the hangover from October going into November. But let's real quickly go ahead and take a look at the app. It'll come up over, I guess, on that side today. I was actually impressed some of the features on the new like version. I noticed when I was going back through to do, when I calculate my year to date, all that kind of stuff, I realized like this is kind of cool. Like they did some features where they collaborated all of the roundups into like once you make that deposit instead of like each one's separately. So that was actually really nice. So I mean, thank you, Acorns. I appreciate it. Let's go to the performance detail. I don't know where I'm going. Task, that's where I want to go. Come on. As far as November goes, here you got a $10 roundup investment. This is what I'm talking about. And then it shows you. Then you can go look at the breakdown of what exactly went into making that roundup happen. Some dividends right there. $1.76. Dang, from the corporate bonds. Are you kidding me? That's nice, man. That'll definitely pay the phone bill or something. It's not gonna pay anything. The one-time investment right there on $20, that's a bi-weekly investment that I make. Well, round up for $5.43, and there's all the ones that went into that. Another one-time investment of $20 on November 16th. Another round-up investment of $17.53. We must have been spending a whole lot of money around this time last year. I think that we were on vacation. Reoccurring investment of $5, that's like my auto deposit, and then a $7.93 roundup investment on the 28th, with a $20 investment coming in on the 29th of September. So that's pretty much the overall account performance details. As you can tell, overall right now I'm sitting at a positive 3.47%. The 1 month, which is going to be a little bit off because right now it's December 17th, is going to be a negative 1.18%. The 3 month, I'm still down, I think like 6.7%. Wow, again, been getting crushed in the market lately. And then over the 6 month, down 5.27%, and in the last year, I'm down 2.85%. So obviously in the last couple of days, the market has just dropped even more. So we're getting hammered pretty hard. Percent breaks down. Here's kind of where the money's going. A lot into large company stocks and those government and corporate bonds. By percent, 28% into large corporate bonds, and then 10%, 3%, 6%, 20%, 20%, and 12%. As far as like how the account fared this month, In total, I made a gross profit of $154.41 going from October to November. However, if you minus like the $20 deposits, the $5 once a month deposit, and then the roundups, you get a net growth on this account of $48.33, roughly 1.83%, bringing me to a total year to date of negative 0.37%. So I can imagine in October it was probably sitting at like a negative 2% or something like that, which that would have been even worse. Anyways, let's go ahead and I guess transition from the like quick little roundup into the we're gonna call it, I don't know what we're gonna call it, but the comment of the week, I guess. This comes from the guy 12,322, and he says, try stacking gold, silver, and stock market same time. It be a hit. You know, video are either one or other, but cover both in the same video. You have same thing. P.S. and then the next comment, we'll just go ahead and P.S. talk about stacking silver and your ratings will go way up. Just try it. So this is me just trying it. So stacking, let me go grab my silver so we can talk about it. So stacking silver, this is all my silver right here. Oh, lost about a few grams there. But this is got a few bundles of, I don't know if you guys can see what's going on here. Most of this is just 1 ounces of silver. I started buying this probably in 2016. Look at that, nice and shiny. This is by far my most expensive piece of silver right here. Actually, it's 3 grams worth that I paid $20 for. Do the math on that, and what that comes out to an ounce, you'll be like, you got ripped off. But anyways, these are probably my most expensive pieces. I've got 4/10 of an ounce of gold hanging around here. Right here. Here's the gold. Look at that. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, that's gold right there. We'll just talk about my strategy with buying gold and silver and also buying stocks. So basically, I allocate a certain amount bi-weekly to go into each one of my different accounts. That be Stash, Acorns, Robinhood, M1 Finance, Stash Retire, or just gold and silver, like actual physical gold and silver. So for instance, like gold and silver, I take $12 from my bank account, move that into my savings account, and I do that bi-weekly. And once I have enough to buy 1/10 of an ounce of gold, then I go purchase that 1/10 of an ounce of gold. So roughly $140. So do the math on that. Roughly going to take me about 24 weeks to actually be able to purchase 1/10 of an ounce of gold. And then on Robinhood, I deposit like $13 bi-weekly. On Acorns, it's $20 bi-weekly. On Stash, $20 bi-weekly. On Stash Retire, $15. And on M1, it's I think $10. So that's kind of how everything rolls around here. All this silver has basically been bought by that $12 bi-weekly that I put into that savings account and then go and buy. I recently transitioned from buying gold from buying silver into buying gold. I don't know, it just takes up less space, and it's not, yeah, basically it takes up less space, and I don't know, I kind of like the look of gold, and my wife says that she likes it a lot more, so that's kind of why I'm buying gold and not silver. But silver right now is, I think, like hitting all-time lows, or it was hitting all-time lows, so maybe I'll transition to buying that. I don't know. I do really like this coin, though. This is a Superman Canadian coin. It's kind of cool. I don't know if you guys can make that out, but yeah, that's kind of cool with, I think that's the Queen of Canada. I don't know, Elizabeth II. I don't know much about Canada, and I'm sorry if you're in Canada and I just totally disrespected. Buying my gold and silver, I just purchase it through Apex or APMEX, or I think that's how you say it right there, and do that. And then my stocks, I allocate there. I also allocate a little bit on my Robinhood account, specifically into precious metals. I think it's like 15% or something like that of my overall Robinhood account goes into like mining stocks, and then also just like gold and silver ETFs as well. So that's kind of the strategy with precious metals. As far as stocks go, I mean, I've got tons of videos out there about different stock strategies that I use moving forward. A lot of it is not trading. This stuff is all long term. Probably what will happen eventually is I'll pass away, hopefully at the ripe old age of maybe like 95, and then my son and my rest of the family, maybe I'll have more kids, can enjoy their silver, because I won't be here anymore, so it won't really matter what they do with it, I guess, at that point. They could give it to the grandkids. Hey! Anyways, we'll go ahead and leave it right there. I've really been enjoying the kind of like just more kickback, kind of like, let's just keep it talking to the mic, talking to the camera. That's pretty much where I'm going with it. But I do appreciate your guys' questions. We have been getting some good questions, but like I said, I'm going to try to cover the most recent topic comment that has been on the channel. I cannot wait for season 3 to come up. I don't know when that's going to be started specifically. Maybe the new year sounds like a good time to start. I started season 2 at the beginning of last year, so maybe I'll start season 3 at the beginning of this year. I don't know. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. If you have any questions, feel free to post them down below. Like I said, I will get to the most recent comment every Tuesday on season whatever it will be when it comes out. Anyways, guys, it has been real, and it has been your boy, Coach Keith. I don't know, I think that we should come up with another one. I was thinking of like, what am I even saying? I was thinking like we need to change up the end. Instead of being it's your boy Coach Keith, I'll see you guys later. I think that like this one, we should do it a little bit different, and we should say like focus on the long term, play for keeps. And then I couldn't think of the last part. So focus on the long term and always play for keeps. It's been real, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.